Zach Pagoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 18-4 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 18-4 work together. In the last video, I read over the 18-4 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 18-4 work together, where we will be recording the disposal of plant assets. So the instructions say, use the plant asset records from work together 18-3. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Number 1. For each of the following transactions completed in 20x4, journalize an entry for additional depreciation if needed. Use page 11 of a general journal given in the working papers. Source documents are abbreviated as follows. Memorandum M, Receipt R. Alright, so as you can see over here, we are given two transactions, and they are dated on January 6th and July 12th. Number 2 is asking us to use page 1 of a cash receipts journal to record the disposal of each plant asset. And lastly, number 3 is asking us to make appropriate notations in the plant asset records. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 18-4 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 18-4 work together, in which we will be recording the disposal of plant assets. Alright, so that is the end of the 18-4 Work Together. In the next video, I will be going over the 18-5 text. Okay? Thank you.